Consonant stop sounds practice. Number 1. Peter, paper, Peter, paper, baked and peck of pickled peppers. Bread and butter above and below. The bigger, the better. Number 2. Too many twos. Tom and Ten were twins. Tom said to Ten, "Can I talk to you?" Number 3. A difficult daughter. Dr. Dyson said to his daughter Daria, "Don't go downtown after dark. It's dangerous." Daria said, "Don't worry, Dad. I won't. You know I never do." Number 4. Dad, I've been packing all week for camp. Keep coming. I can't wait to get there. Do you remember your camping days? A big dog. Peggy is going to the game. The dog dug up his bone again. There's a big bug on the rail.